So a little bit about my background. I'm a career software industry professional. I spent about the last 10 years or so in the genomics and bioinformatics field. I've been really ahead of my time in a number of key markets. I was involved in the grid computing space back in the mid-90s, long before clouds were on the minds of people. I was actually one of the subcontractors on the compute cloud that was used by Celera for their sequencing of the human genome. And from 2002 to about 2 years ago, I worked very closely with a company called Genomics, which is a bioinformatics infrastructure provider. And so I've been sort of steeped in the domain of bioinformatics and genomics. And as I decided kind of where my next challenges lie, it seemed that translation of genomics and bioinformatics to healthcare, was sort of the next frontier, if you will. And so I took an opportunity about a year ago to jump in with the College of American Pathologists, which is the single largest laboratory accreditation society. It's actually a member-driven society of pathologists who practice medicine. And this has given me an inside-out view of the world that I wasn't privy to as a developer and purveyor of bioinformatics to the research market. So I'm hoping that together with my colleagues, we can share with you some perspectives and some ways that bioinformatics and genomics infrastructure can translate into the healthcare realm. Disclaimer, any opinions, recommendations, points of view expressed are purely my own and not the views of my employer, College of American Pathologists. So a quick overview here. I'm going to just set the scene with what I'll call a landscape and kind of give you some ideas to think about. And then Dr. Lynn Bree, the assistant professor of pathology at Brigham and Women's, has a tremendous amount of experience actually delivering sequencing services in a clinical setting. And I think that is going to provide sort of a rich set of experiences and ideas upon which we can build on. Dr. John Madden is also here, and John is the associate professor of pathology at the Duke University Medical School. I invited John here because he's preeminent in the field of pathology reporting. And what I love about the team that we've assembled, Dr. Bree and Dr. Madden, is that these are people that live at the intersection of patient health care and informatics. And so where, I think I haven't met a professional in the pathology community whose first motivation isn't providing better patient care. And I think as informaticists, that provides an interesting context for us to think about solutions. The other group that has joined us today is H-Data from the MITRE Research Corporation over here in Bedford, Mass. And what the MITRE team is